In 12 months, top earners won't be programmers. They'll be AI power users. 9 skills. This is the blueprint. Skill 1, prompt engineering, 50 to 100 per hour. Garbage prompt, hat, garbage output. 4 rules change everything. Role, data, ask, format. Rule 1, define the role. Tell AI Buck, act as a lawyer, act as a marketer. Without a role, it can't think through the right lens. Rule 2, provide the data. Feed AI examples of great work. The more context you give, the better the output. No examples, no gold. Rule 3, make the ask. Vague prompt, the vague answer. Tell AI exactly what you need. Specific instructions produce specific results, always. Rule 4, request the format. Bullets, spreadsheet, PDF, summary, pink, tell it exactly. If you don't specify, AI decides, and it decides wrong. Skill number 2, AI-powered software development, $100 to $200 an hour. Non-technical professionals are creating real applications. Today, 3 steps. Use AI to teach you AI. Find a real problem businesses need solved. Build the solution once, sell it hundreds of times. Third skill, AI-powered design, $100 to $200 an hour. 6 fingers, 3 eyes, that was 6 months ago. Now it's photorealistic design. 3 skills, generative photo, AI photo editing, AI web design. What clients paid $20,000 for May, you deliver for a fraction. Keep the difference. Skill number 4, AI-powered video editing. My team used to spend hundreds of hours editing. Now it's instantaneous. Clipping, generative video, B-roll search. My 12-year-old son gets paid to clip other people's content. If he can do it, Nan, you have 0 excuses. Skill 5, AI writing, $100 to $200 per hour. Not AI writing for you, bae, AI finding the gold in what you already said. Big difference. Abstraction, ideation, creation. Build a custom AI trained in your client's exact voice. They use it across every department. That is why they pay top dollar. Skill 6, AI-powered content marketing, $200 to $300 per hour. Today, successful media brands are using AI-powered workflows for content creation. Define the outcome. Create the content. Repurpose everything. 1 hour becomes omnipresent across all platforms. Skill 7, no-code AI automation, $300 to $400 per hour. 15 tasks collapsed into 1. We get paid for outputs now, not hours. Map the workflow. Focus on cash first. Build AI co-pilots. The more they save Conan, the more they pay you. Skill 8, AI data analysis, $300 to $400 per hour. Without data, you're just another person with an opinion. AI changes that. Data cleanup, enrichment, insight extraction. AI found which states convert best tea, ads improved instantly. That is what you get paid for. Skill 9, AI agent development, $400 to $500 per hour. Don't wait to be replaced. Build the thing that replaces. Define the job. Develop the model. Deploy and monitor. Feedback makes it smarter daily. Then the agent runs alone. 9 skills. $50 to $500 per hour. 1 ladder. You decide which step you climb to. You watch this for a reason. AI is in your future. Don't delay. Don't drag your feet. The time is now. Subscribe to receive more business strategies and practical guides on using AI. Leave a comment PROMPT to receive a free resource. Keep learning. Keep growing.